Public versus private flowchart. This flowchart visually explains the distinctions between public and private domains, focusing on their applications in financial, legal, and personal contexts. Flowchart structure. Starting point. Is the matter public or private? Choice branches, public or private. Public domain. Definition, matters governed by public laws, statutes, or regulations. Examples. Legal court cases under statutory law. Public taxation systems, IRS filings like 1040 forms. Interactions with government agencies and corporate entities. Key actions. Adherence to statutory rules. Filing public documents. Utilizing standard legal remedies. Private domain. Definition, matters handled through private agreements, trusts, or contracts. Examples. Private trusts. Arbitration agreements. Fiduciary appointments. Key actions. Utilize contracts and private agreements. Establish control through proper filings, UCC 1, trust documents. Avoid entering public jurisdiction unnecessarily. Intersections and overlaps. Where public meets private. Court cases involving both public statutes and private claims. Negotiable instruments, e.g., bonds or promissory notes, that transition between private and public use. Tax forms linking private fiduciary actions with public reporting, e.g., 1099 series. Replacing the rules of engagement, RoE, and other documents. This section explains how to replace or enhance the rules of engagement, RoE, and associated documentation to align with private processes or dual-purpose strategies. Steps for replacing or modifying documents. Review current documents. Examine existing RoE, contracts, and agreements for public-oriented language or provisions. Draft private alternatives. Replace general legal terms with private trust or contractual language. Ensure compliance with private law doctrines and fiduciary responsibilities. Integrate key instruments. Include UCC 1 filings to establish secured party status. Use fiduciary documentation, e.g., Form 56 for appointing the Secretary of the Treasury as fiduciary. Combine public and private tools. Prepare dual-purpose documents, such as 1099 forms, to navigate both realms efficiently. Seal and authenticate. Use private seals, thumbprints, and wet ink signatures for authenticity in private documents. File and notify. Properly file replacements with relevant authorities, e.g., Secretary of State for UCC filings. Notify necessary parties of the updated documentation, ensuring it supersedes previous versions. Expected outcomes. A clear framework for distinguishing public and private matters. Enhanced ability to navigate both domains while maintaining control. Improved documentation aligning with private processes. Streamlined strategies for transitioning from public to private jurisdiction when appropriate.